Indefinite integrals. Integral e x cos dx is equal to integral ex sin x minus integral e to the power of x sin x dx. It's equal to e raised to x sin x minus the quantity of negative e raised to x cos x minus the quantity of negative integrals ex cos x dx. Is equal to integral e raised to x cos x dx minus e sin x minus negative e raised to x cos sin minus the quantity of negative integral e raised to x cosine x dx. The final answer is equal to e raised to x sin x over 2 minus e raised to x cos x over 2 plus c, the constant. Our final answer.